first, second, and third.
The music.
To make, to force someone do something against his will. يعني to make يجبر شخص على فعل شيء ضد إرادته. To let, give him permission to do something. أسمح لشخص بفعل شيء. In the active form, to make and to let take the infinitive without to. Make and let في الجمل العادية ما بنستخدمش معاها to. Example: They made me confess and then they let me go. Take care of the passive. Here is the trick. In passive form, make requires the infinitive with to. Example: I was made to wait 5 hours before being seen by the doctor. The other trick: there is no passive to let. Instead, to be allowed is used. مفيش مبني للمجهول من فعل let. نستبدلها ب was أو were allowed. Example: My teacher let me use a dictionary. I was allowed to use the dictionary. Here is the passive. Don't confuse. To make means to force someone to do something. To have means to get third party to do tasks for you. Answer the following. They let us to go together, but made us to promise not to talk to each other. Of course, in the affirmative, we choose the infinitive. The restaurant manager made or let us pay for the meal. He forces us, so I will choose made. Now, answer this question in the comments. Ask yourself first, is it active or passive? Goodbye.